Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC, and today we are looking at a driveway walkway and a base for a patio that we put in one day here in Vienna, Virginia. Now, I'm not going to shoot a video of the patio today. It's just a concrete base back there. I'll do a secondary video in the future once we have all the stone put in place, but just keep that in mind. We did about 420 square feet in the back today of concrete work as well. That was all done by hand. In the front, we were able to use machines. But let's take a closer look at this front driveway and walkway, and we'll go from there. So the driveway here was actually smaller than the apron. It was about 10 feet before. We widened it to 12 feet, matched the apron, and then kept that consistent width back, and then tied into the edge of the carport here that it was also offset from. And just take a look at that beautiful broom finish. Man, my guys are good, and we do an awesome broom finish on this work. We specifically matched the angles like they had on the walkway over there that was existing to the homeowner's request. And nice walkway here, again with all the joints cut precisionally where they need to be, leading to the driveway with a nice flare. And here's one final parting shot of the whole project. So give us a call for any concrete work, stone work. We are the specialist in that trade. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.